Hello, Grant.
Hello there. Nice to meet you.
How are you feeling today?
Wow. I kind of feel like I've got to do something, but I'm not sure what yet.
How do you feel about having an interview with me?
Fine.
Is there anything you don't want to talk about?
Kind of makes me feel wanted when I've got the video filming me, and the only thing I don't want to talk about is
Can I please remind you that this is a children will be listening to this too, so please watch your language.
the only thing I don't want to talk about is Santa Claus. People keep telling me that he's not real, and I've always believed that he always comes and brings me presents every year.
How would you feel if you found out that Santa Claus wasn't real?
Devastated, of course. I'm a bit worried now because I live in a flat and I was living at the parents', and they had a chimney, and now I've just got an electric fire, so I've not worked out how it's going to come down that yet. But there you go.
Okay, so let's move on from Santa Claus, and I'll ask you some questions.
Okay.
So please give me a bit more than a yes or no answer, so
Okay.
now I'll try and understand you. How far back can you remember?
Probably about 30 minutes ago.
How far back in age can you remember? Was it a good feeling?
Yes, very good.
Can you
I can remember having £1 in my pocket, and there's a few of us, and things were barely cheap in them days, so we lived near some sand dunes, and for this whole £1 we got a picnic for loads of us, and we still had change, and we all sat round this, like, I think one of us took his coats off and put all the biscuits and stuff on it, and we all sat around eating these biscuits and cakes, and then someone decided to light a fire, then the sand dunes caught fire, so we had to run away, and we didn't get to eat all the biscuits, so I was quite gutted.
what was your favourite biscuit?
Gingers. So yeah, I'm not racist, I love a ginger biscuit.
Do you remember Christmas? Did you have some good times Christmas time?
Yes. Yeah. We'd all sit round the fire, and then if it got cold, my dad would light it. And we got all the presents we wanted. They never had Nintendos and PCs and stuff when we went to have a green screen computer. What, you had to program your own games. But we loved it at the time. And we had a chopper bike once. It had gears and everything. It felt like an Hell's Angel. We was out on the street, and we were so proud that we got this bike. It was like we was better than everyone else on the street. We was doing wheelies and skids and everything.
You look very proud. That's a very happy memory.
Yeah. Well, it was like we had a racing bike or something, and
So, can you remember your last birthday?
but yeah, it was good.
What's the bestest memory you have?
meeting you.
Can you turn boyfriend?
Well, you'd have to wear a tight belt or you'd have your pants down. He's a very funny guy, confident. He was fat and ugly, but he weren't obese. He had a beer belly. He was a pain in the arse, but he gave me confidence that no one else will ever give me.
What made you?
And he spent a lot of money on me.
What made
What
made you feel that you could call him a best friend?
Just because I've known him for so long. We used to fight like husband and wife. And then still come round the next day. But it was a pain in the ass.
What's your favourite memory?
Speaking with the Crown Court judge. Speaking with the Crown Court judge in Witherspoons. Talking about everything. I've never laughed so much in one day. Tears coming from my eyes. I had to go to the toilet at one point because I was choking with tears. The things he was saying to this Crown Court judge. Mum and Dad had told me the things he used to say. It just used to pick someone in a pub and say, he looks good for a laugh, or something, and just go and sit with him and start talking to him and ask him silly questions. And he kind of knew, like me, what he was going to say back. And I guess that's where I learnt what people are going to say or do.
Tell me the best thing you love about yourself.
Everything.
And what's the worst, least you hate about yourself?
I have no confidence in myself.
What can you do to get the confidence back?
Live in a dark room on my own.
Does that make you feel good?
Yeah. No.
Are you happy to carry on?
Yeah.
What if you could be a father? How would that make you feel?
Over the moon. Could be the proudest dad ever.
And how? In what way? How would you be a father?
I want that special bond.
Do you have a special bond with your parents?
Yeah, of course. They always bond me money.
Huh. How was your childhood been? Do you remember many happy memories?
They was all good memories, really. Can't remember no bad ones.
Tell me about your childhood.
Only when my mum chased us upstairs. That's funny. I can honestly say I never had one bad child.
What's the best thing you love about your parents?
They live 5 minutes away. They still worry about me.
Well, thank you, Grant, for this interview. And I'm going to now say goodbye. And thank you for your honesty.
You're welcome. Bye.